Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition. The ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition comes with the latest AMD X570 chipset and supports all of the latest AMD Ryzen 5000 processors. What makes this motherboard so special is the collaboration between ASRock and Razer. And of course, you know Razer. Razer is a renowned manufacturer of esports equipment and accessories. And with that said, ASRock have integrated the Razer Chroma RGB lighting into their motherboard, making it looking real nice. It also comes with the killer E3100G 2.5 gigabit LAN, as well as supporting the 1650AX Wi-Fi 6. It supports memory speeds of up to DDR4 4666OC and multi-GPU setups including the AMD 3-way crossfire as well as NVIDIA's SLI via 3 PCIe 4x16 slots. For audio, it comes with the 7.1 HD Nahimic audio and of course all of ASRock's features including the 16 power phases, DigiPower and Dr. Moss. Oh yes, of course, this Razer edition comes with the Razer Chroma RGB. As with all Taichi motherboards from ASRock, you also get the power on and reset buttons as well as the diagnostic LEDs. It'll be interesting to see how this motherboard will perform against other X570 motherboards that we've tested in the past. But more importantly, I want to see the RGB lighting effects from the Razer Chroma RGB. So let's not waste any time and put this into our test rig. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, so we have a quick unboxing of the ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition. It comes in a massive box. Let's have a look at the front here. Very nice. You can see the motherboard right here. And then of course, some information about the Razer.com synapse. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's have a look inside. Got two boxes, and let's have a look inside this box here. Accessories and so on. We've got two packs of the SATA cables, pack of 2 each, and there's also the screwdriver. Yeah, and there's 3 3.M.2 screws for your SSDs and mounts. There's the Wi-Fi antennae for your Wi-Fi 6 and a Velcro straps for your cables. Very nice. Over here we have the ASRock software setup guide, and we also have the ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition manual and installation guide. We also come with the driver's disc as well as the logo kind of sticker right here. Very nice. So the accessories covered. Let's have a look at the main board. Alright, so we have the main board. Let's have a look. Very nice. Okay. Here we have the motherboard itself. This is the ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition. It's quite heavy. It has a very nice big solid backplate right here. By gamers, for gamers. Very nice. And as you can see, the RGB LED strip right here comes with the Razer Chroma RGB lighting. It should come up there. Very nice. Okay, we'll start off with the DDR4 DIMM slots right here. We have 4 DIMM slots supporting DDR4 4666OC. And then moving on to the front here, you have 2 8-pin power connectors for your motherboard. And then of course you have the ARGB headers right here. And the XXL heatsink with the heat pipe at the top here. And of course goes into the I/O hood. with the Razer Edition logo right here. Very nice. And then over here we have the usual 24-pin ATX power, USB 3, some more fan headers, and a total of 8 SATA ports for your hard drive and storage. Moving over here, we have the power on and reset buttons, as well as your diagnostic LED. We have a couple of more fan headers, USBs, and of course ARGB headers right here. So we've got the PCIe slots. We have 3 times 16 PCIe 4 slots, and then 1 times there. You've got an active fan as well. Let me peel this off. You have an active fan which is helps to cool the chipset, and it has the Razer Chroma RGB logo right here. That's active fan. So obviously you need to take this whole cover, this heat plate shield cover, to access the PCIe, of course the M.2 slots as well, which are located here and here as well as here. Very nice. Alright, moving on to the I/O. Over here we have the clear CMOS and BIOS switches, and the Wi-Fi antennas. There's a PS2 keyboard and mouse. I'm surprised. Right here. USB connectors, HDMI, more USB, and of course you got the 2.5 gigabit LAN, more USB 3s, the USB 3.2, both the A-type and the C-type, and you have an array of audio connectors. And that's pretty much it. It's a very nice board. Has a quality build to it, and of course, yeah, nice back plate right here. Gamers, for gamers, by gamers. It helps a little bit of cooling as well, and of course, you've got the RGB strip right here, and that should come up with when you run the Razer Chroma RGB. All right, so that was a quick look and unboxing of the ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition. Let's put this into our test rig and see how it looks, and of course we'll do some benchmarks as well. So see you in a bit. The ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition is a very nice motherboard indeed, both in terms of looks and performance. But one thing that makes this motherboard stand out is of course the inclusion of Razer's Chroma RGB, which offers amazing lighting effects that's fully programmable using the Razer's Synapse software. As far as features are concerned, you'll be in for a surprise. There's so many I've lost count. But to name a few, you get 3 PCIe 4 x 16 steel slots, as well as 3 Hyper M.2 slots for your PCIe Gen 4 SSDs, and a total of 8 SATA ports. There's also the onboard killer Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 gigabit LAN, the 7.1 HD Nahimic audio, as well as support for USB 3.2, both Gen 1 and Gen 2 ports. You'll also find an exquisite backplate for the motherboard, which helps with the cooling and provide extra strength and stability. What's more, you'll also get all of ASRock's unique features that are found on the Taichi series, such as the 16 power phase design, the DG power, premium 60 amp chokes, 2-ounce copper PCB, Nichicon 12K black caps, Dr. Moss, and of course the onboard power on and reset buttons. Doing our benchmarks, it produced some really nice scores, including the Cinebench R23 score of 9,960 and a pass mark score of 6,655. For PC Mark 10, we got a score of 7,632 and a score of 7,907 for UL's latest Procyon photo editing benchmark. The results are what we expected and falls in line with other X570 motherboards that we've tested in the past. However, the motherboard really shines in the gaming benchmarks. For 3D Mark Port Royale, we got a score of 6,766 with a DLSS score of 45.21 frames per second. And finally, for TimeSpy and Firestrike, we got excellent scores of 10,720 and 24,390 respectively. All in all, I'm really happy with the performance of the ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition. It's exactly what gamers want. ASRock has taken the right step in giving gamers what they want. By collaborating with Razer, they produce a really great looking motherboard with performance to match. You won't find another motherboard quite like this. If you're a dedicated gaming enthusiast, Razer fan or not, who's into RGB, then the ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition is definitely worth considering. You get gorgeous looking lighting effects from the Razer Chroma RGB, as well as excellent overall performance with the motherboard. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock X570 Taichi Razer Edition. It offers amazing performance, a massive amount of features, and gorgeous RGB lighting effects from the Razer Chroma RGB. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.